Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here with me today. I want to share something very special with you. It's my personal way of learning English. I call it the silent method. Maybe you are like me. Maybe you want to learn English, but you feel shy. You feel scared to speak. You don't know where to start. That's okay. I understand. I was there too. I remember the first time I tried to speak English. My mouth was dry. My heart was beating fast. I didn't want to make a mistake. I didn't want people to laugh at me. So, I stayed quiet. But inside I wanted to speak so much. I wanted to understand movies, talk to people, and feel confident. So I made a plan. A quiet plan. A plan to learn English in my own way. I started by watching people. Not in a strange way, but in a learning way. I watched how people talked. I watched their mouths. I listened to their words. I paid attention. I watched YouTube videos. I watched simple English conversations. I watched interviews. I watched people in movies and TV shows. At first, I didn't understand everything. That's normal. But I kept watching. I learned by watching how people use their face when they speak. I looked at their lips. I listened to the rhythm. I listened to the way their voice goes up and down. This helped me a lot. Even if I didn't speak much, I was learning quietly. I was learning with my eyes and ears. I also started reading easy books. I chose children's books. They are short and simple. They use common words. That helped me build my vocabulary. Reading gave me more confidence. I could read slowly. I could stop and check new words. I didn't feel pressure. I felt calm. At the same time, I listened to English every day. I listened while I cooked. I listened while I walked. I listened before bed. I listened to podcasts, audiobooks, and English songs. Listening every day made a big difference. My brain started to feel more comfortable with English. Words started to sound more natural. Then I started speaking. But I didn't speak to people at first. I spoke to myself. I looked in the mirror and said simple things. Like, "Hello, how are you?" Or "I like coffee." I repeated sentences from videos. I copied the way people spoke. I copied their tone. I copied their speed. I was like an actor practicing lines. This is still part of my silent method. Watching, listening, copying. All done quietly at first. No pressure. No fear. Later, I used language apps. Apps like Duolingo, Hello Talk, and others. They helped me practice words and sentences. I could type, listen, and sometimes speak. Some apps let you talk with real people. But if I felt shy, I could just listen or read. It was my choice. I also made labels for things in my house. I wrote words on sticky notes and put them on the wall, table, chair, door, and more. Every time I saw a word, I read it out loud. This helped me connect English with my daily life. It was simple but powerful. Step by step I felt stronger. I felt braver. I could say more words. I could understand more. Sometimes I made mistakes. That's normal. Mistakes mean learning. I didn't let mistakes stop me. I still remember one day. I ordered food in English. Just a small sentence. But I felt like a winner. That small moment gave me so much joy. Now, I want to tell you something important. You don't have to speak perfectly. You don't have to be fast. You just need to keep going. Learn at your own speed. Use your eyes. Use your ears. Watch people. Listen every day. Don't worry if you are shy. Don't worry if you don't know many words. Start small. Start quiet. Start with the silent method. With time, your voice will grow. Your words will come. Your heart will feel proud. English is not just a language. It's a door. A door to new friends, new jobs, and new dreams. And you can open that door. You have the key. You have the power. Every time you watch a video, read a book, or say a word, you are learning. You are growing. So please don't give up. Even if it feels hard. Even if you feel stuck. Keep going. Keep watching. Keep listening. Keep speaking, even if it's just to yourself. Your English will improve. You will get better. I believe in you. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for trying. I am proud of you. And I hope you are proud of yourself too. Never stop. Never give up. You can do this. See you next time.